In this video, we give you the most current information on the AFFF firefighting foam lawsuits. We unpack the recent history of AFFF litigation and tell you where we think it's going in 2024 and what our lawyers think about a potential for a settlement this year. Most of you watching already know the history of firefighting foam and how it's been linked to cancer and other diseases. AFFF was a staple in firefighting, especially for tackling blazes fueled by flammable liquids. However, the revelation that AFFF contained PFAs or forever chemicals, which are linked to an array of cancers, has led to a cascade of lawsuits. Plaintiffs allege prolonged exposure to these toxic substances has led to significant health repercussions. As we navigate through 2024, all eyes are on the potential for a partial or global AFFF settlement. In the shadow of a monumental $10.3 billion settlement for the water contamination claims last year, there's growing anticipation for resolutions in the personal injury and wrongful death lawsuits. Everyone wants to get these cases resolved in 2024. The question is whether we can find an agreement on what the compensation payout should be and who should get compensated. Settlement amounts are always speculative before any deal is done, so absolutely digest these settlement predictions with several grains of salt. Our lawyers are very high on these cases, but we estimate that average AFFF settlements will range between $250,000 to $450,000. Such a settlement is expected to employ a point system for claims evaluation, categorizing cases by the severity and strength of each claim. An AFFF settlement point system would work by assigning values to various factors in each plaintiff's case to determine the compensation amount. This quantitative approach allows for a consistent evaluation of claims in mass tort litigation. Here are the 10 key factors that would likely be important in an AFFF point system. First is the type of cancer or illness. Certain types of cancer, like kidney, testicular, and thyroid cancers, are the most strongly linked to PFAS exposure in scientific studies. We also think bladder, pancreatic, and leukemia cases will be strong too. The second is degree of exposure. Points will be allocated based on the duration and intensity of the plaintiff's exposure to AFFF. Longer exposure times or more frequent contact will result in higher points. Third is age at diagnosis. Younger plaintiffs who develop cancer will get more points due to the longer impact of their lives versus older plaintiffs. Fourth is the severity of illness. The severity and the stage of the cancer at the time of diagnosis will impact the points awarded. More advanced stages and more terminal cancers will receive higher points. Fifth will be impact on quality of life. The extent to which the illness has affected the plaintiff's daily life, ability to work, and need for care will impact how many points they receive. Sixth is medical expenses. Costs incurred for treatment, including past and projected future medical expenses, will add to the points tally. Seventh, loss of earnings. Lost income and diminishing earning capacity due to the illness will be quantified in the point system. 8 is dependents. Plaintiffs with dependents will receive additional points considering the broader impact of the illness on their family. 9 will be proof of product identification. Ability to directly link the plaintiff's illness with a specific manufacturer's AFFF product will be a factor. And finally, 10th will be strength of evidence. The robustness of the evidence supporting each claim, including medical records and scientific studies linking PFAs to health issues, will be crucial. The problem in the AFFF litigation right now is the lack of a trial date. Without a bellwether trial date on the horizon, the defendants are under no real pressure to get a deal done anytime soon. With settlements potentially on the table in 2024, acting swiftly to file a claim is crucial. Our firm stands ready to provide expert legal guidance and help secure the compensation victims rightfully deserve. If you've been exposed to AFFF and are facing health challenges as a result, call us at 800-553-8082.